Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. Today marked a bullish close for Indian equities as the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty ended with gains of 0.72% and 0.74% respectively. The upward momentum was fueled by strong performances in banks and financials post-quarterly updates, along with IT stocks ahead of September results. The Indian rupee displayed resilience amidst dollar demand from local importers, remaining stable at 88.78 against the US dollar. This stability could be attributed to possible intervention by the Reserve Bank of India. In the bond market, the 10-year benchmark yield showed a steady trend at 6.5151%, while profit-taking limited significant moves for up to 15-year bonds. Ultra-long bonds experienced gains following states announcing lower-than-expected quarterly borrowing. Overnight index swaps saw a marginal decrease in the 1-year rate and stability in the 5-year rate. India's overnight call money rate was at 4.95%, with the overnight TREPS rate at 5.25%. 12 out of 16 sectors gained, particularly private banks and financials. Notable gainers include HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Bajaj Finance due to strong growth in loan disbursement and asset management. The IT sector also rebounded from earlier losses, with attractive risk-reward setups for investors as valuations become more reasonable despite muted earnings. However, retailer trend dropped after reporting slower-than-expected revenue growth, while drug maker Lupin fell following a US FDA classification of its manufacturing facility. In summary, today's market wrap, the BSE Sensex and Nifty closed up by 0.72% and 0.74% respectively, buoyed by gains in banks, financials, and IT stocks ahead of September results. The Indian rupee held steady against the US dollar due to potential RBI intervention amid continuous demand from local importers. Government bonds saw minimal movement with the 10-year bond yield barely changing at 6.5186%. Overnight index swaps saw a minor dip in the 1-year rate and stability in the 5-year swap rate. As we move into September results season, the resilient Indian economy suggests a positive outlook for investors seeking opportunities in the financial and IT sectors. Stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for more insights on tomorrow's market action.